Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. I know I've been out for a while, but trust me, I've still been recording. I'm waiting on a car part, so I can't finish that one video that I have for you guys, and instead of making you guys wait for that video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing today, which is we're going to be changing my oil and oil filter, so stay tuned for that. We're also going to do a couple things, maybe a photo shoot, maybe, you know, something, so stay tuned to the very end. Also guys, that video that I have coming up, stay tuned for that one too, and put your post notifications on so you don't miss out on that video. It's coming real soon, maybe after I drop this one. It's literally 1:40 and I only have an hour to do this, so let's see how fast I can do this. And of course, my favorite part, jacking. If you guys watched my previous videos, you'd know that every time I jack, I like to stop and make sure it's still or in a safe spot. My beautiful handy dandy brick that I got from the lawn. You'll see me using this every single video or whenever I jack my car. We gotta move fast. I could be wrong, but I feel like something good going on. Oh, that's okay because we could find a bolt later. Stop, you're so close to me. Look guys, it's pouring. I thought it was gonna be dry. The oil filter is right there. Wow, the oil filter is dead. Wow.
What is this thing for? Are you good?
Oh no, it's not dead. I thought it was like bent or something because of the tire. But what happened here? Come look up here. What is that? Is that axle?
Yeah, it happens. It just gets on it. It happens. Can you
It's really hard to show you guys, but now we're gonna put the new filter over here. This piece, that's where it belongs.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so mission failed. Hold on, I need to wipe you guys. You guys have like oil. I was supposed to be done by 2:30 with the oil change, with the oil filter, but I only got to remove the oil, change the filter, put in the new filter, and that's it. I wasn't able to pour in the new oil because now it's 2:29 and I have to go pick up my little sister-in-law, so. Come on, you look beautiful. I know. I used the box because I couldn't find a container. I think it's spilling. No, that's from the oil filter actually. That's from the filter. I didn't spill anything. Just need to find a bolt because the bolt dropped in there. I got the bolt out. If you don't know what oil you have, usually AutoZone will tell you what oil you need. It usually says it on your cap or on your hood, whatever kind of car you have, depends. 5W20. Yeah. So you want to pour the whole thing. Oh my god. Oh. You know what? Sometimes. That's so bad. That's really bad. That's like extremely bad much. It's because I need to go slow. I was trying to rush. So when you're doing this, go slow please. You don't want to waste a quart of oil like I just did. It's been a minute since I did the oil change, so bear with me. That was really bad. It was really spilling everywhere, man.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy.
We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then we'll take it out for a dry. You're done?
on a bed, you be the jabata. Me, I no get time, I dey jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Ricky man, we don't be where I bada. What's it go? You are go. All the penny, the cash, brag and I no fit, die for nothing.
Should make the thumbnail right here.
No music because my boyfriend has my phone. Since his camera is broken on his phone, he has to use my phone for rollers. So no music, no music. Oh my god, I want music. Ooh, blue is a vibe. If you give this video a like, my boyfriend will get himself a new phone and he won't have to use my phone anymore for rollers, so give it a like right now.
Back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she...
If you guys enjoyed the video, go give it a like, comment, subscribe, and put your post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on the next video. And I know my next video is gonna be fire because it's gonna be, I don't even want to say what it is. You guys are gonna have to find out when I post it. So put the post notifications on and see you guys next time.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade.